Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how to use the new product shoot feature on Capcut to easily edit your photo product. So here I've already opened the Capcut apps, and on the homepage you need to click on the expand option here. Then you'll see product shoot option, so just click on that. So this is the product shoot. Just choose the photo of your product and then click on add. Okay, now Capcut will automatically remove the background in the photo product. Now you can just choose the AI background to use as the background of your photo or your product. Just wait. You can just choose which one that you think fits the like the product or your theme. Okay, I'm going to just choose this one. Just click on the check icon. You can also add tags, add a color theme if you want, adjust the size. You can also add stickers, so just edit it as you like. Okay, so but if you already satisfied with the result, you can just click on export. Then your product photo will be saved in your gallery. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and also click on the thanks. Bye.